Hey y'all, it's Abby Star. So today I did a eyeshadow look that I had on in my last video, my full coverage foundation routine. I had a couple different people ask me to do a video on it, so I decided to. But today I'm not wearing lashes, and it just definitely shows you how subtle and how drawn back it can be. But I just wanted to show y'all that, like, I'm not just like lashes and glam intense all the time. I have like a lighter face on today. I don't have like a whole bunch of foundation. It may look like it, but I really don't. But I decided not to wear lashes with this because I really wanted my eyeshadow to show, because I really like this look, and this is a really good look. I wanted to show that it looks great if you have on really intense lashes, or it looks great if you just want to throw on some mascara and call it a day. Something else I wanted to show that I think is really awesome. Over Christmas, I got a signed Jaclyn Hill palette, and I guess I wanted to show it just because this is really awesome for me. So this is the new like Morphe packaging. It has all the shadows on the I'm sorry, I'm looking at the monitor. It has all the shadows on the back. It has, you know, just the regular her name. You can see there's definitely, I can't, it's too bright, but you can't really tell, but there is definitely a big difference in these palettes because I've used the crap out of one of them. My arms, they're too short. Anyways, this is really awesome. She signed it and she said, "Thank you for your kindness." I had left a comment talking, just telling her about how awesome I think she is and how proud of I am for all of her accomplishments. You know, Jaclyn, you know, I mean, she is what you want to be if you are a beauty blogger or anything. She is, you know, the dream. And the fact that she DM'd me, she talked to me, you know, Jaclyn Hill called me talented and adorable. And it's really awesome, and I thought I'd share it because I think it's incredible and I wanted to share it with y'all. But anyways, into the tutorial. Here you go. Obviously it's a Jaclyn Hill palette tutorial. No surprise. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow, keep watching. Alright, so the first shadow we're going to start out with is Made for Each Other. And we're going to put that in the crease, above the crease, and towards the brow bone. And be, you know, fairly generous with this. As you can see, I'm not being super precise with this color. This is just my transition shade. And it's there to give you that seamless blend. The next shadow I'm going to go in with is Pooter. And we're going to do that in the crease, kind of on the outer V, and blend it up. And this is another shade that I say definitely be generous with. One thing I will say is I set my concealer on my eyelid with a different powder today. And I don't know if I'm obsessed with it. It's not making my eyeshadow pop like it usually does. And the last matte shade I'm going to go in with is Mocha. Now this is a seriously like easy, very easy eye look. I did this in my foundation routine, and the reason why it is so easy is because I had already done the whole foundation routine video, so I wanted to go with something kind of simple, but I know would look good. And with that darkest shade, you want to kind of keep it focused on the outer V, and then kind of a little bit in the crease. And this far you should have something that looks like this. I like to have a shimmer on the lid before I put my glitter on, just because that's how I roll. And the shimmer I'm going to go with is Smoky But Natural. Waving that mirror everywhere. Now, the kind of like part that makes this over the top and made it look really good is the Stila, what is this, the liquid? Oh, it's the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow and Kitten Karma. And I put that on my inner corner. Sorry, my cat is literally having a fit to get in here. Alright, and so that is pretty much the top half of the eyeshadow look. I'm going to go finish my face and a few other things, and I'm going to show you how I did the lower lash line. Alright, so the first shadow we're going to start with underneath the eye is Pooter. And as you can see, I'm kind of taking this like 3/4 of the way in. Sometimes I take my 224 and I'll go underneath there just to make sure it's good and blended. The next shadow I'm going to go in with is Mocha, and this is going to go on the outer like 1/4. And we're not going to take that as low. We took Pooter and kind of smoked it out. We want to keep this one kind of lower. I mean, not lower, closer to the lash line, the lower lash line. And you're not taking it in as far as Pooter. The reason why you do that is when you put dark shadow all the way underneath your eyes, it can kind of, you know, close off your eyes. You know, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on what look you're going for. But for today, with the glitter, I'm definitely going to want to put like glitter in the first fourth. So I'm keeping all my darker shaders. On the outer part. Then once you have that blended in to your liking, you're going to take the glitter. You just go right underneath the lashes. And like I said, only on the first fourth. And I guess while I'm kind of waiting on that to dry a little bit, I'm going to go in with Beam. Highlight my brow bone. And you can pop that on the inner corner. Calm it down and disperse it a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna pop some mascara on my bottom lashes and then we'll be done. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really love how it turned out. I'm glad I didn't wear lashes. I think it really lets you see the eyeshadow and really appreciate it, and I really like this look. It's simple, it's easy, and it's beautiful. I want to thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. If you can, you know, or if you did like it, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, you know, let me know kind of what you want to see, what you think of my content. Give me some pointers about what y'all want to see and what y'all do and don't like. Do y'all like favorites videos? Do you like tutorials? Like, what do you want more of? But anyways, thank you so much. Please subscribe, and yeah, thank you.